Moose here. Alright, today I'm going to make a video showing the differences between a pistol powder and a rifle powder. The main difference is a pistol powder, due to the short barrel, must burn faster, and a rifle powder must burn much slower due to the longer barrel. Here we have some of the most popular powders. Hydrogen Tight Group is a pistol powder. It burns relatively quickly. Here we have a 9mm and a 38 special round. And we have Accurate Mag Pro on the left here, and that's for my 7mm Magnum. That burns relatively slowly due to the longer barrel. You can see here I have a Taurus 85 and in 38 special, the very short barrel. We have a Mosin here, just showing an example, which has a relatively long barrel. So the reason for this is, short barrels, if you use a slow burning powder in a pistol, it's not going to burn all the powder, and you're going to get a really, really cool flash. And you're wasting all that energy. So, the bullet's not going to go very far. In a rifle, if you use a pistol powder, it's going to make way too much pressure immediately, and you run the risk of damaging the gun. Use a much slower powder, and that pushes the bullet more evenly, right down the barrel. Keeps pressures down while at the same time utilizing all the power in the powder charge. Here you have a visual example. On the left, we have the Tight Group pistol powder, which should burn relatively quickly. On the right, we have Accurate Mag Pro, which is a rifle powder, and that's going to burn relatively slowly. So I'm going to show you the differences right now and how they burn. It's not compressed in a cartridge, but it just gives you an example. And that was relatively quick. And now we're going to do the rifle powder. Now, both powders I used a half cc measure, so they were the exact same amount of powder, and they both came from the container. So as you can see, the pistol powder burned much quicker than the rifle powder. You never want to interchange the two. Like I said, it could be extremely dangerous if you were to use pistol powder in a rifle. It's just going to burn way too quick, way too fast, and you run the risk of blowing up the gun. There are so many powders on the market today. You want to find the one that's going to suit your firearm and your cartridge the best. All right, have a good one.